Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are super important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then it'll know what to rank it for. So you'll see I have your website here, come down to your H1 tags, Padillas Roofing. So I'll show you here on your website, it says Padillas Roofing. So this is the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. A better heading would be your city or county plus your service. So like Napa Roofing or Napa County Roofing, you can even do Sonoma County Roofing. That would be a better H1 tag. But the other item that goes hand in hand is the metadata. So if you go here to Google, I did a Google search for Napa roofers. You'll see that all these blue lines here, these are the metadata. And you'll see that the top guys here, they're talking about Napa Roofing. So basically, they're getting all the calls. These people are in the organic search and then also in the map search. And I can get you here on page 1 so that you can get the calls. But anyway, you'll see that they're at the top position because they're talking about roofers. So when you pull yours, you'll see here that your title tag right now is Padillas Roofing. So if someone were to Google Padillas Roofing, you'd be at the top. But obviously, nobody's going to know to Google that when they're looking for a roofer. They're going to Google Sonoma County Roofer, Napa County Roofer, Napa Roofers, Napa Roofing Companies, or similar keyword. So those are just a couple quick things I want to show you. These small little changes will really help you rank. And then also, if you ever want to check your Google rank, don't go to Google. A lot of times companies will come here, they'll Google their keywords, and then they keep checking their website every couple of days. And then as the weeks go by, Google's going to start moving you up because they already know what you're looking for. So instead, you always want to use a third-party tool. We use Rank Tracker. You can get a free subscription for a month if you want to, but you don't have to. But anyway, this will pull your rank and check it every single day. So I have you pulled up here. You'll see your URL and I added some keywords. You can see that I went ahead and added your company name just to show you that if someone were to Google that, you'd be ranked number 2. You'd be the second position. But obviously, again, nobody's going to know to Google that when they're looking for a roofer. So you're here, page 3, and below. But you can really rank for these keywords super fast if you just change your H1 and metadata based on whatever your keyword is. You want them to be similar, and you want them to say, again, city or county plus your service. You want to make it crystal clear to Google what your site's about. And I really like your website. I think there's a couple things I could do to make it a lot more appealing. And then this will help you not only rank when I add some content and stuff, but it'll make you get to page 1 and like significantly increase your income because 90% of traffic is on page 1. Most people just don't check past page 1. And when you go to the search, I can get you on maps I can do some citation work for you, and I can get you on the top here and then get your phone ringing off the hook. Let me know if you have any questions. Please just reply to this email, and thank you so much for your time, and I really wish you lots of success. Thank you.